some famous characters, some different stories. Okay, Orion, the hunter. You know Orion? It's very famous constellation. You have Ursa Major, Ursa Minor, Saptarshi Mandal basically. Okay, in Sanskrit also you have some prominent constellations which are drawn in the sky. So, not just constellations, in those days astronomers used to look at planets also. But how do you know that it is a planet or a star? How can you identify? How can you differentiate? Exactly. So generally stars basically twinkle. Okay, they glitter. They basically twinkle in the sky. Planets do not twinkle. So whenever you look at a planet, it will be stable. Okay, its observation will be very stable. Is that clear? But if you look at the stars, it will be twinkling in the sky. Is that clear? That's how they differentiated planets. Whatever you have, they named it in a different way. They named it in a different way. I will explain that when we discuss each planet, right? Why they have said it will rain diamonds on Uranus or Neptune. Whatever it is, any gas giant you take. Why I will discuss that? Because the pressure is very high there. The pressures you know, right? Diamonds are made due to very high pressures. Yes. So they used to map the sky into different constellations. Okay. Likewise, now we have 88 constellations. How many constellations are there? 88. Within those 88, through those constellations, whatever the sun passes, we have named them as zodiacal constellations. How many zodiacal constellations are there? Not 22. Not 12. There are actually 13. According to astrology, there are 12. But in astronomy, we have 13 zodiacal constellations. The one which was missed is Ophiuchus.
Yes, sir.
It is Ophiuchus actually.
Sir, I have a book and in that book it's called Destiny.
Okay.
There is chapter called Destiny and in that
Destiny. Okay.
in that there shows all the zodiac signs.
Nice. So there is actually 13th one also. But anyways, these constellations are not that significant in astronomy. Basically, they are used as sky numbers only to identify different objects. Okay, to name different stars. Those constellations will be helpful. More of like navigation purpose. But when the telescope has got invented, then it has changed our whole astronomy, observational astronomy. Now there is a question for you.
Who invented the telescope?
Yes, who is that? Not Galileo Galilei. I said it yesterday. It's not Galileo Galilei. Can you guess who?
Albert Einstein.
No. But Einstein is like very new guy. He is from 20th century. Yes, he is a lens maker. Dutch lens maker. Now coming to a famous personality, Galileo Galilei. Now we will see what he has contributed. Okay. So Galileo Galilei used his small telescope to look at the night sky. He used to sit and he used to observe the moon, the stars, the planets, even the sun also. And let us see his contribution. As I mentioned yesterday, Galileo, when he saw the Saturn for the first time, he thought that the planet has ears. He thought that planet has very big ears. Is it true? Do you think planets will have ears?
No.
Now, why do you think Galileo got confused that the planet has ears? Exactly. Galileo didn't know that the planet has rings. Instead, he thought what? The planet has big ears. Okay, let us see how he drew it. So Galileo drew Saturn like this. So this is the main planet, and whatever you are seeing here, he thought they are ears, like a monkey face. But it is not basically ears, those are rings. Yeah. But his telescope is very small, no? It cannot resolve it completely. That's the reason. Okay, got it? So this is the drawing of Galileo, the planet Saturn. Next, Galileo also observed the moon. So you can see different drawings of the moon at different phases. So this is the half moon exactly. And he saw what? Craters also. You know craters, right? They are very big potholes on the surface of the moon. Why do they form? Due to the impact. Yes, due to the impact of asteroids or meteors or whatever. Yes. Yes.
How many moons made on Earth?
How many moons?
Made on Earth.
Huh. You mean to say size comparison? So moon is like very small. Once it is like hardly 3,000 change. So ours is 12,800, no? Or 12,000, roughly 12,800 kilometers. Moon is around 3,200 or 3,300.
India.
1/4 of the Earth's size. 1/4 of the Earth's size.
So bigger than India.
Obviously.
Russia.
It's basically, it will sweep quarter portion of the Earth.
Okay.
So, if you, I cannot compare it with the surface area. If you take the size, it will be 25%. Right. So these are the drawings drawn by Galileo.